crunchy, perfect.
Hello lovely hungry Thai food fans. Today my husband and we drove from our city to Duluth, Minnesota about 3 hours to eat onion ring, the best onion ring in the town. It's very crunchy, crispy, it's so good. Here is onion rings. My husband said
They're the best. They're the best.
onion ring at Grandma's restaurant, Duluth, Minnesota. Onion ring and blue cheese. The best, yummy. Onion ring and blue cheese.
Very good. You wanted ranch though.
Okay.
That's the ranch you ordered.
Onion ring and ranch.
Oh, this is the best, aren't they? Very good.
So yummy. What do you think, me?
Excellent.
My husband said excellent. Look at me. Can I dip with blue cheese too?
Up to you.
Blue cheese. So yummy. We drove 3 hours to come here to eat onion ring. This is fabulous meal for us. Do you agree?
Very good. This is the family time.
I don't know. I want to eat all. I am so hungry. You dip with ranch cheese or ranch sauce or blue cheese sauce. One more. I don't need ASMR microphone. This is the real thing. So yummy and crunchy. Yummy. Crunchy. Perfect. Thank you for watching. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ